Hi, darlings. It's been such a long time. I recorded a voiceover in my videos, and today that's exactly what I'll be doing. So, this is the 7-star bone straight hair in 8 inches, and I'll be wigging it and cutting it for my client. So, I hope you're ready for this journey. So this is the wig, machine, machine stitched and straightened. The hair was so soft. But since it's in the same length, that's 8 inches, there's going to be a lot of trimming for a neater look. So as you can see that the the hairs are already layered, and we're going to cut them. The hair was so soft. I was just trying to show you how soft this hair was. I recommend good quality hair. So I proceeded by cutting the hair. I knew exactly where I would be cutting the hair, but then you don't cut it at once. You do that as you go, so that if there's any mistake, you have room for correction. But how have you guys been doing? It's been so long. Even though I post, I barely show my face and I barely do a voiceover. Yeah, so this is what I was talking about. You can see the shorter strands, and as a result of the same length. So do we need to cut all the way to this end? Definitely no, but we have to cut. Some people leave this like this, but I think for a neater and a professional look, you just have to cut. After all, the hair is 8 inches, so what you expect? Yeah. So watch me cut, or trim. Yes, I would say I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you guys are good. It's been such a long time. Yeah, I think I have to keep quiet and then come in as and when. But let me just say that this is how bobs are done. You have to bend it after you are done cutting to see how it will look like when your clients, try to bend their hair just like this. So you can see that there are pieces of hair that has to be trimmed. So that's exactly what I'm doing, so that when your client bends her hair, it's just neat and professional work. Okay, so I'll be back. So you see how beautiful, bouncy this hair is looking. What? So neat. Like, how? See the precision. What? So beautiful. Like, I think it's safe to say that I am the bob hair, or the bob queen herself, because tell me why it's so precise, same length. Wow. I need an award for this. So bring your bob units, bring your bundles. Just come, call me and I'll be at your service. Okay, so if you need any of these units, I have a lot of bob tutorials on my YouTube, on my um TikTok. I have a lot. So if you want to learn, you can hit me up, DM me. Okay, if you want your hair to be done, DM me as well. Quality quality wigs and strands only. If you want to install your hair, if you want to style your hair for any ceremony or occasion or any event, bridal, hairstyling, whatever, just let me know. Just let me know. So I'm just straightening the hair. I don't cut the hair with the closure. I do the closure afterwards. I don't know. I just find it safe to do that. And yeah, because I need the closure to be the same length as the hair. So I do it after everything is done. And I just trim it as well. Then I go in again with my hot comb from BBL. This tool right here is so good. It's very hot. Yeah, so I highly recommend if you can afford. Well, my client wanted just how do you call it, um a blanket and not a bob. So at the point I found myself bobbing and I had to remind myself that she said she wanted a blanket, and that is what we have here. This unit is so luxurious, so good. The hair is so good. So you can get one for yourself. DM me and I'll be at your service. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.